Hello my friends, and welcome back to another video here on Rebel Trading, where I will show you how to take your day trading game to the next level. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and if not, it might be getting a little bit better. So I've got this strategy I found that works really well. You can set up alerts on it too. If you stay to the end of the video, I'll be showing you how to set up alerts on this trading strategy. But I used it mostly on the 15-minute. I tried it on the other time frames as well, but it seems not only the most accurate, but also the most profitable with the 15-minute time frame. But it's good for crypto, forex, and stocks, so you can trade pretty much anything with the strategy. Just set up a free account on Tradingview.com, and all the indicators, as usual, are free. So once we're on Tradingview, the very first thing that we're going to do is click on indicators. The first indicator that we're going to use is the Smoothed Heikin Ashi candles by Jack BMK. Click on that. The second indicator that we will be using is the pivot-based trailing maxima and minima by Lux Algo. Just type in pivot-based, and it should be the very first one that pops up. Alright, so once you click on those, your chart should look something similar to this. Alright, so once we're here, we're going to go over to settings, go to style, we're going to click on wick, and we're going to change the opacity all the way to 0. And that's just going to make it easier to read. We're also going to click on settings for the pivot-based trailing. We're going to uncheck every box on the top portion except the pivot high and the pivot low. We're also going to go over to input. For the uptrend and downtrend area, we're going to change the opacity to 0. That way, the only thing that should be showing is the up and downtrend indicators. Also, if you guys have found value so far out of today's video, I would really appreciate it if you'd click on the like button. It helps me grow my channel and to allow me to become a full-time YouTuber and to create content for you guys. All right, so now for the strategy. What we're going to do for a long position, we're going to wait until the uptrend indicator has appeared. After that happens, we're going to wait for the Smoothed Heikin Ashi candles to have a green uptrend. After the bar closes, we're going to take our long position. So we're going to open our long, and I usually have been putting the stop loss just below the uptrend indicator. This, I would say, is the only part of the strategy that is optional. If you would like to do anything different, I would say you can go with the most recent swing low, or you can use something else such as an SAR, and you can put it below the stop loss. As usual, I set a risk-reward ratio of around 1.5 to 2, and as you can see, this thing blew way past the risk-reward ratio. So what you might be able to do instead is take profits on the way up between the 1 to the 2 risk-reward ratio. After that, you can move your stop loss up, and you can continue to take profits on the way up. And after it switches to red, you can close the position out. If you waited to do this, as you can see, like the risk-reward ratio is like almost 15. That is insane. So something that invalidates the trade, if you see an uptrend indicator and somewhere before the Heikin Ashi candles turning green, if a red downtrend indicator appears, the trade is invalidated and I would not take it. Something else to watch out for, if you see really long wicks on the body of the candles leading up to the trade, I would typically encourage you to not take the trade at all, since the asset would be highly volatile. All right, as for our second long position, as we can see here, an uptrend indicator has occurred. We can see that the Heikin Ashi candles are turning green. A downtrend indicator has not appeared, so we will be taking our second long position. Along right here, the stop loss, down the uptrend indicator, risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. As we can see yet again, price action blew way past the take profit point. So again, you can take profit continually up to, let's say the 2 risk reward ratio. Anything past that, I would move the stop loss up. So if it does go down, especially if you're sending away from your device, it'll mitigate the potential for you to lose profit. So again, if you waited until the Heikin Ashi candles turn red to be able to get out of the position, much higher risk reward ratio. So if you're using leverage with these trades, you're making some pretty nice gains. All right, so now for a short position, complete opposite. All we're waiting for is for the downtrend indicator to appear, the Heikin Ashi candles to turn red, the Smoothed Heikin Ashi candles, and we're going to open our short position. Again, If we see an uptrend green indicator appear anywhere before that happens, get out of the trade. All right, so we will sell right here, set our stop loss up here, the risk reward ratio of 1.5 to 2. Again, this thing blew way past our take profit point. So honestly, the strategy might work better for maybe a 2 risk reward ratio. That is completely optional for you guys, but I would recommend taking profit between the 1 to the 2 risk reward ratio, with most of it being at the 1.5. So now to set up alerts for this strategy, what you're going to do is you're going to right click on add alert. We're going to click on once per bar close, go down here, click on the pivot based trailing. So you will set 2 trade alerts for this strategy, one with pivot high and one with pivot low. So whenever one of these occurs, it'll send you an alert on whatever device you have connected, and you'll be able to show up. And then after that, you can wait until the bars change colors, and then you'll be able to take your trading position. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I really like this strategy a lot. I'm definitely going to be incorporating this into some of my trading. If you haven't already, please consider clicking on the subscribe button. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube, I'll be posting my free Telegram trading channel where I will show you most of my trades that I make throughout the week completely for free. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.